This is the Nila Bond Builder, and this was gifted to me by the brand, so I'm super pumped about trying it because it's a lightweight leave-in treatment designed for hair that's been damaged by coloring, bleaching, heat styling, or just everyday wear. I just washed my hair, towel dried it so it's still damp, but it's not dripping wet, and I'm just gonna apply the product evenly to my hair and leave it in. There is no rinsing with this product. This is a leave-in treatment. So I'm just gonna spray. I'm gonna focus on the ends especially. You can also use a little on your dry hair to smooth the links and also add some extra protection, although I haven't tried that particular way of using this yet. This formula does contain amino acids that might help with strength, shine, smoothness, and combability. It also has chia peptides, which help create a protective layer around each strand. What I really like about this is it does several things in one step. It can help reduce breakage and frizz, and I definitely need that. And it also provides heat protection up to 450 degrees. So you can apply this before blow drying or before using other hot tools if that's a step that you do in your daily routine. This Bond Builder leave-in treatment is designed for damaged, weak, color treated, or regularly heat styled hair, but it can also be used on all hair types and textures. The formula is vegan, color safe, and free from sulfates and parabens, although it does contain silicone. Overall, this seems like a nice option when your hair needs strengthening and heat protection, but you don't want something heavy or another treatment that just has to sit on your hair and then be rinsed out later. So I'm gonna let my hair air dry, and then I'll be back to show you the final result and tell you what I think. All right, my hair is air dried. Well, it's as dry as it's gonna get for right now. But after using this Bond Builder, I really like it. So I don't have any other product in my hair right now. This is the only thing that I use. Normally I would use hair gel or cream to define my curls, but I wanted to see how this would do by itself. And I think I really like this. My hair is always a little frizzy, but honestly, the frizz seems to be a lot less than what it usually is. So I'm super impressed with this. So again, this is the Nila Bond Builder. This is a leave-in spray that I apply to damp hair, and this is the results after a couple of hours of air drying. So if you are looking for a leave-in treatment that you want to add to your daily routine, I would highly recommend this.